So your alarm's going off and everything's running though. Okay, so your air compressor's running and everything's going. What happens is, a lot of times, is this little switch right here will go bad. Okay, so this little switch will go bad and everything will be working and your alarm's going off and everybody gets confused. So just silence your alarm. Okay, you can take these two wires out. It's real simple. There's a little air hose on the bottom. This is nutted in, so you just and this is all it is. All right, so if everything's working and your alarm's going off and it's your air alarm, a lot of times you'll have an amber light. Amber light's usually the alarm. You take this switch off, 26 bucks. You put the new switch in. Okay, here's the wire nut. Put this back on. Okay, sometimes these are in the control panel. They're not on the bottom like this. We set it up like this. So you do this. Okay. And you put your wires back in. 15 volt, doesn't matter where the black, doesn't matter where the red goes. I could do them either way and it's still gonna work. And it's fixed, okay? Turn the compressor back on and, oh, I gotta hook the hose back up. Oh, there it is, so it's off. So that's all it is this switch sometimes breaks. There's a little pin inside, it'll snap, and then your alarm will come off. Everything's working, you don't know what it is. On this system, we don't have two lights because we know what we're doing and we can troubleshoot things pretty quick. But most systems will have an amber light on them and that's all it is. So if it's a red light, you got a problem with your float switches or your pump. But amber light, you have a problem with your aeration. And if the aerator's still working, you have a problem with your switch. So that's it. They don't break that often, but you know, it's a simple fix and it doesn't cost a bunch of money. So don't get taken to the cleaners by somebody that says, oh, you need a whole new control panel and all you need is some $26 part. So that's pretty much it. They add them with Wholesale Septic Supply. You can find these on Wholesale Septic Supply. It's a pressure switch for septic, and get it all squared away for you, and we'll just leave that new one in there. So even though there's nothing wrong with this. You guys have a good day. Bye.